In this lesson, we will see how to source free fonts on the web. Like images, fonts are a must for creating visual contents. So let's dive straight in. The unmistakable and perhaps the only free font source you require is Google Fonts. This is a treasure trove of a wide range of free fonts. Let's spend some time here. Let's first check out if the fonts here are for free use. Yes, all these are free open source fonts, which you can review and use in your website. There are 4 ways you can check out the fonts. In single words, in paragraphs, so that you know how it will look like in lengthy posts, and finally also in posters. In other words, you can check the appearance of your chosen fonts in various ways. Google has a standard sentence for displaying. Change it here and include whatever you want to check out, including changing the font size, for example. To the right, this drop-down shows that the fonts are displayed as per popularity. This is the default display. But if you want, you can find out which fonts are trending, and the latest ones for that matter. We will now look at the various filters that Google provides. The category filter is about the font style, like serif, sans serif, etc. All these come selected by default when you first open this page. Next, you can narrow down the fonts by thickness, slant, and width. This comes especially handy when you have typical needs, but less time on hand to make your choice. The last filter is about the script. The default display is Latin, but you can change the script to Cyrillic, Devanagari, Vietnamese, and so on. These are great help indeed. At the bottom, you will find the details of your selections. I have made no selection yet, so my collection is 0. Okay, let me now go over to what these icons represent for each font type. Clicking the first icon reveals all the styles available for that font. Once again, a helpful feature to decide whether to go for it. The next icon leads you to the quick use page. You will soon see that you can use any font here, even without downloading it. This is the standard link code to include a particular font for use in your website. This code will come in the head section of the page HTML. You have 2 other options: the import code for use in the CSS file of your website, and the JavaScript that should preferably be used in the head section. Google even shows here how to integrate the fonts you select into the CSS styles of your website or in a particular web page. Let's see an example of the usage of fonts in the CSS styles of a website. This code shows 2 things: calling the Tangerine font from Google APIs, and also including the font in the body styles of this page. So there you are. We have covered how to select the free Google fonts and how to use the selected fonts in your website. Google has a very large stock of free font families. We will briefly look at a few more sources in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.